In this video, we will study about web service discovery and web service composition, right? Service discovery and service composition. These two are very important concepts in web services and even in microservices. What is web service discovery? It is self-explanatory. The name itself says it's a process of finding suitable web service for a given task, right? So in UDDI, you have lot of services. Many people are dumping their web services to do business, to earn more money, right? So you want to search for a suitable web service. So how will you search for it, right? We are saying that the principle of SOA is it should be discoverable. Anybody who wants to search for your website, it should be discoverable. How? Using the WSDL document, we are making it publicly available so that anybody who reads WSDL file or those 3 pages, yellow, white and green pages, they will be able to find out about your web service, but it will be very clearly stated. So web service discovery is just about finding the suitable web service, right? So the service users or consumers can search for web service manually or automatically. Manually, how they do? They can go and search in the UDDI and get it. Automatically during runtime, we will understand that. So the implementation of UDDI servers and WSDL should provide simple search APIs or web-based GUI to find the web services. So UDDI basically they give a website or a web portal kind of thing where you can go and type the keywords or some suitable methods you can tell, it will show the corresponding matching like the Google shows us the results, right? So web service discovery involves querying the service registry, that is UDDI, for web services matching the needs of service requester. So I need to find out for the suitable web service which is matching my need. So you can do discovery in 2 different states. One is static. How? Service implementation details are bound at design time and a service retrieval is performed on a service registry. Okay. So details are bound during design time. You are nowhere you are telling in the web service code that any request can come to you directly. You are not putting that. You are putting, you are having a WSDL file which contains the information about the how to hit this particular service, right? So the service retrieval is performed on the service registry. Okay. Whereas in dynamic mode, service implementation details are left unbounded. Okay. So that they can be determined at the runtime. Right? During runtime, one web service is looking for, it is hitting another web service. So it does not know which service to look for. So dynamically, whichever is matching its output, web service 1, there is on web service 1, its output is matching with whichever web service it is matching, it will go there dynamically at the spot. Whereas in static mode, you have to link it statically. You should go to UDDI, identify that particular web service and link in the WS1. You have to hard code and say when this is the output, you have to go to web service 3. When this is the output, you have to go to web service 7. Like this, you have to hard code it. That is static discovery and dynamic discovery. Okay. So this is one concept in web services. Then service composition. So composition means sometimes we have small services, but my requirement needs that these 3 should be combined and I should form a single service. Okay. So service composition is a collection of services where many smaller services can be combined together to a larger service. Okay. So this refers to putting together several different services to create a new service. I can create a new service by combining small services. In that sense, we can say that services in SOA environment can be thought as a building blocks. So because I have a business, I want to build one service which will do multiple tasks. So I am combining these services and forming a single service. That's why we are saying in SOA, services can be thought of as building blocks, right? So service composition can only be achieved if services have a narrowly defined scope. We can combine them if they are doing some simple task. Only then we can combine. This is doing some login authentication, this is doing database check, and this is doing validation of credentials, something like that. Then all 3 can be combined and make a login authentication screen you can make it, right? If they are doing simple task only, we can combine, right? And this is again related to idea of reusability. You see, this service A, B, C are reusable. We are reusing them to form a new service. So they should do simple task and they should be reusable. Only then service composition can be achieved. Okay, simple concept. What is service discovery and the service composition, right? Thank you.